welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys some of the things that I got in September. So this is actually a September haul, but you know, your girl just couldn't keep up with the timeline. Anyway, I'm so excited to show you guys, and we kind of shop and splurge a little bit towards the end of September because there was some sale going on, and really it was just an impromptu one. I didn't intend to shop at all, but things just happen, and things happen for a reason, you know. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So there are a few paper bags that I want to show you guys. I'm just going to show you guys first what I got from Kiko Milano. I really love Kiko Milano products, as you all know, or if you don't, yes, I love Kiko Milano because it's really affordable, and also the quality of the products are really very good, and it doesn't really like burn a hole in my pocket, and it doesn't really make my skin dry and stuff like that. So I'm really happy with Kiko Milano's product. That's why I've been supporting them. So anyway, I picked up 3 lipstick from there. I don't even seriously, I don't even know why I actually picked up the lipstick. Like, we have to wear masks every single time when we go out. When do I even put on this lipstick? You know what I mean? So I don't know, it was kind of impulse actually, because they were having some sale, and I think this was like buy 2 get 1 free if I'm not wrong. So I picked up 3 lipstick, one which is my favorite, which is in the shade 407, and the other 2 is a new color that they just came out with. So I'm just so excited to try it on, and let me just swatch it for you guys. If you followed me on my Instagram, I swatch all this lipstick on my Insta story, so I'm just gonna do it again here. So let me just start by swatching my favorite color, which is 407. Gonna swatch it for you, and now I'm gonna swatch 451. Don't worry, I will link everything in the description box below as per usual. So this is 451. It kind of like a peachy coral kind of color. So this is like kind of like a lighter shade compared to this. This is 407 and this is 451. And next I'm gonna swatch 456. Ooh, it's so beautiful. So this is 456. So moving on to the next item, let's do a monki haul. So in monki, they were also having some sale, and I actually picked up just one item, which I'm not supposed to, but I picked up this high-waisted black pants, and it kind of like flare a little bit at the bottom. I really wanted to wear pants a lot, and like just casual kind of pants that looks very nice and well put together, you know, but it's very hard to find in my size especially, or if I manage to find it, then it just doesn't fit perfectly on my body because I am curvy and it's very hard, to be honest. But when I tried this on at Monki, it was just, I really love it. And it's high-waisted. I really love high-waisted pants because it can cover all the excess tummy and you know, I can hide all those fats. This was in size 38, and I really love it because it's high-waisted and it have like a slight flare at the bottom, and it just fits perfectly on my thigh. And good thing it costs only 40 dirhams. So the original price was 175, which is ridiculous, but you know, I managed to get this at 40 dirhams, and that's a steal for sure. Moving on, I got this beautiful necklace from Las Joyas. This is actually a local brand in Singapore, and they really have some fabulous accessories. So this piece have traveled all the way from Singapore to Dubai, and I'm just so happy and glad that I got it, because I did not regret every single bit of it. And I think this cost like $60 if I'm not wrong. So it's actually a pearl necklace with my name on it. So it's Elferra, and it's customizable. I really love it. And moving on, I actually got two items at H&M, and they are just a plain black shorts. You guys might think that it's already fall. Why am I even like, you know, getting a shot? And thing is that Dubai is different. It's still like 40 degrees probably during the daytime, so this is like essential. I managed to get myself this pair of shorts for 20 dirhams, and I got this beautiful white plain dress. It's kind of like a baby doll dress. It's just so flattering on my body. So if I were to wear like a belt over it, it's just so beautiful. I really wanted a white dress, like a totally white dress. I don't know, I'm just into black and white recently. I used to have a very colorful wardrobe. I think if you guys watch my previous videos, you should know by now. But now I'm trying to change it up and, you know, try to go a little bit minimalist with my outfit, and try to get like incorporate a lot of the essential clothing, so like black, white, nude, beige, all those kind of color, a more neutral tones I would say, so that it's easy for me to mix and match and stuff like that. So the next thing I got is from Brands for Less. Oh boy, I don't know where to start with this brand. If you are living in Dubai and you haven't heard of this place, my god, where have you been? Like seriously, if you stay in Dubai, the only way that you can save up and still shop is at Brands for Less. We found out about Brands for Less, so now me especially, kind of addicted to Brands for Less, and that's not a good thing. And the price is really very reasonable. Yes. Hello. We got a slipper for her which cost 29 dirhams, and it's actually from Havaianas. I managed to get myself this cute skirt with these prints, and I don't know, I just really like it. It's been a while since I have like a short skirt, and I intend to wear this with tights during winter, and probably combat boots and black satin top or something, and a coat over it. It's just so pretty. So yeah, that's why I got myself this pretty skirt, and it costs only 25 dirhams. Look at that. And next up, I got myself a bunch of panties. So I managed to really get some nice panties, and they are only, I'm not gonna show you guys because TMI, and it only costs 15 dirhams, and it's from Juicy Couture. So did I pronounce it right? Juicy Couture? I don't know, I kind of have like lisp. So anyway, I really get this for 15 dirhams. Like, can you imagine? I can't. So when I saw it, I knew I have to just get it and buy it, you know, because it's juicy. Come on. And two pairs for 15 dirhams, that's insane. So I guess that's about all the small stuff. Now here comes the only big and the most expensive stuff. I honestly didn't even intend to shop at Coach. No. So we went Coach because we wanted to get a birthday present for my uncle, and I just happened to like look at the women's section and, you know, look at the bags, and of course I fell in love with some of the bags, but this one particularly. And then I asked them. I shouldn't have, but I just asked them out of the blue, and, you know, just for fun, how much is it? So the the lady said, oh, there's 30% discount, and on top of the 30% discount there's another additional 30% discount. Then I'm like, okay, so how much is it? And then she said, oh, it's 495 dirhams. And I'm like, what 495? Should I or should I not? To be honest, I think this is kind of impulse shopping, but I just couldn't resist it because of the price, and at the same time because I am so deeply, madly in love with it. So I managed to get myself this beautiful baby. I know I'm not supposed to shop, like I just spent a lot during my birthday, and then here I am again with another branded bag. So I'm gonna unbox this together with you guys, and I'm just gonna show you guys, okay? Oops. Let's open the box. Look at that. So I told them it's a gift, so they kind of like wrap it for me with all this. So let's open it up. Myself a Coach white bum bag. I'm so in love with this. It's white, it's perfect. I know I'm just asking for trouble, but you know, whatever. I really love white bags right now. I'm obsessed with white at the moment. So when I tried this on, I knew I just had to get it. And then when she said it's less than 500 bucks, I immediately thought that this is a sign. This is a sign. And I haven't used it yet. So we got a new piece and it's all wrapped nicely. So let me just take this out. I'm just going to be extra careful because my lipstick is here and my top is white, so I'm going to ruin it if the lipstick ever goes to the back for the shirt. Okay. Oh, I'm just so in love with it. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear it out next time. So this is the up close of the bag. It have a gold details on it and a gold zipper, and I really love anything with gold. Like I would prefer all my bags or accessories in gold instead of silver, so this is really just perfect for me. And there's a Coach tag over here, and open it up. It's quite spacious actually. In my luxury haul video, if you ever watch it, I actually got the similar one, but it's in the brown with Coach name on it, and apparently it's stuck with Dini, so he's been using it. It's quite spacious, I would say. They have one pocket inside. Yep, and that's it. Yep, so that's about it. And the original price was 1,700. Somehow after more discount it became around 495. So that's why I decided to buy it, because I will never able to get this kind of price, especially for branded goods. So it's really worth buying, to be honest. That's all for my September haul, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy shopping it. I will see you guys on my next video, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!